This is your pre-market update from Bajaj Broking, where we bring you the latest market insights to keep you ahead of the curve. Tune in for our evening update for the full market wrap. Global markets rallied on easing US-Iran tensions, with Asian indices and Gift Nifty signaling a strong start. In the previous session, the Sensex jumped 1,695 points to 75,527.95, while the Nifty gained 461 points to 23,622.90. The Nifty outlook remains positive above 23,500, with resistance at 23,860 to 24,000, while Bank Nifty stays constructive above 56,500. Let's look at the Indian market. Gift Nifty signals a gap-up opening for the Indian market amid strong global cues. Nifty spot in today's session is likely to trade in the range of 23,500 to 24,000. Indian benchmark indices witnessed a strong rally on June 12th, driven by aggressive short covering and improving global sentiment. Optimism surrounding a potential US-Iran peace deal, a decline in crude oil prices below the $88 mark, a sharp recovery in the Indian Rupee, and supportive global cues collectively fueled buying interest throughout the session. At the close, the Sensex surged 1,695.40 points, 2.30%, to 75,527.95, while the Nifty gained 461.30 points, 1.99%, to settle at 23,622.90, reclaiming and closing comfortably above the 23,600 mark. Sectorally, buying was broad-based, with all major indices ending in positive territory. The rally was led by Nifty Realty, financial services, PSU banks, private banks, and consumer durables, which advanced between 2% and 4%. The only relative laggard during the session was the Nifty IT index, which underperformed the broader market despite ending in the green. The broader market continued to outperform the benchmark indices, reflecting strong risk appetite among investors. The Nifty Midcap 100 gained 2.43%, while the Nifty Small Cap 100 advanced 2.80%, indicating widespread participation across sectors. Index in the daily chart formed a strong bullish candle with a higher high and a higher low and a close above the 20-day EMA, signaling strength. Nifty has generated a positive follow-through to the previous session. Inverted hammer candle and unexpected lines tested and generated a breakout above the last 8 sessions broad trading range of 23,050 to 23,550. Going ahead, we expect the index to maintain a positive bias and head towards 23,850 and 24,050 levels in the coming sessions, being the 50-day EMA and the higher band of the last 2 months falling channel, and also the measuring implication of the recent range breakout, 23,050 to 23,550. Volatility is likely to remain high on account of the volatile global cues. We believe index holding above the 23,500 to 23,300 levels will keep the bias positive, being the confluence of last week's breakout area and Friday's low. For intraday trade, Nifty has resistance at 23,860 and 24,000, with support at 23,590 and 23,500, while Bank Nifty faces resistance at 57,380 and 57,700, with support at 56,680 and 56,400. Let's look at the global and Asian markets. Wall Street ended Friday higher as the US-Iran framework deal eased geopolitical tensions, reopened the Strait of Hormuz and supported risk appetite. SpaceX's Nasdaq debut added momentum while the Dow rose 0.69% to 51,207.11. The S&P 500 gained 0.50% to 7,431.45. The Nasdaq advanced 0.31% to 25,888.84 and the VIX fell 9.06% to 17.67. Asian markets rallied sharply as capital moved back into equities, with South Korea's Kospi surging 5.59% to 8,577.60. Japan's Nikkei 225 jumping 5.01% to 69,326.94, and Australia's S&P/ASX 200 gaining 1.45% to trade at 8,931.6.
We encourage you to check out the description below for a more in-depth analysis of the option chain, including detailed data and insights. We cover the latest trends, key levels, and options activity to help you stay updated on market movements and make informed decisions. Be sure to visit for all the latest information and expert analysis.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Please read all documents carefully before investing.